Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to fix your screen is being observed alert on your Mac. So this alert basically means your screen is being viewed or watched by some third-party applications. So one of the best way and easiest possible way is to go and restart your system. For that, what you can go is you can go to this Apple icon here and click on the restart button. And if there are any background processes, that will automatically just disconnect it, and then your screen being observed error would be just vanished. Make sure that there is no application or an app which is running in the background that is being watching your screen. So for that, what you can do is you can go to this Apple logo, and within the Apple logo, go to the system settings, and within the system settings, you can go to the general, and general, you have the sharing. So ensure that all these options are disabled, like remote management, remote login, and remote application scripting. Make sure that the toggle switches are turned off. So this will ensure that there is no remote connection that is watching your screen. Now, next thing what you can do is you can go to the privacy and security settings. So within this setting applications, go to privacy and security, scroll down to the screen system audio recording, and make sure that there is no unauthorized application using your screen and system recording. So this is the screen recorder, this is the Chrome which I use for video calling purposes, and this is the Shotter, this is a screenshotting tool. I'm okay with it. So if there are any application which is mentioned here and you find it suspicious, just click on this, select that particular application, click on this minus symbol, and then you can just confirm to remove it. Apart from that, what you can do is you can also go to the background activity. So for that, what you can do is you can go to the general, and within the general you can go to the login items and extensions, and here you would be able to see multiple applications that are using currently in the background. So if you find any of the application which is currently running in the background that does find suspicious, you can just simply go and uncheck that. And if you have any extensions, you can just go and disable those extensions as well, which you feel which you are not aware what exactly that application does. So once you have done all these changes, restart the system. If you still see the alert, what you can do is you can simply go to the Apple logo, open system settings, which is again the same thing. Go to the general tab and ensure that the software is up to date. If you have any latest release, just go and just update to that particular update, because most of the updates might have security and patches update, which will help in fixing the temporary issues that you have. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.